His beard grew, but didn't grow as what he wanted. Today, we're going to do a smart beard hair transplant for him. This is before the smart FE procedure. This upper sideburn, this is a lower sideburn, in between you don't have. So the aim here today is to give him the beard, this whole design area, to fill up this area so the upper part, the lower part will look the same. We're going to start from the sideburn, coming down here, fill up here, here increase the density, and the goatee, the right, the left, the V and the Y, all will be filled up here. This whole thing we're going to fill up. We will increase the density on the left mustache, increase the density in the phytron on the right mustache, and coming to the goatee here. This is the custom design that suits for his face.